The cloud. It plays a role in everybody's life, whether we know it or not. The cloud ensures that we're connected 24/7 with each other and with the digital world around us. But what exactly is the cloud? Simply put, the cloud is made up of millions of servers from specialized online companies. Our data is stored and processed on all of those servers. And we use and generate that data on a daily basis. Websites, applications. Behind every digital development, there is an entire chain that functions as one ecosystem. And all this happens without us noticing a thing. We expect everything that we take for granted to be well regulated. We assume that everything that is reliable is tested. This is how security is guaranteed. Your car is periodically tested before you are allowed to drive it, so that you don't have to worry about defective brakes, for example. But testing cloud services is a lot more complicated than testing cars. This is because cloud services consist of complex chains with multiple suppliers. In such a chain, how reliable is the storage of your company data in the cloud? And what guarantees do you have about that reliability? Those guarantees and that evidence are missing. This is giving rise to many questions and a feeling of uncertainty. To get those guarantees, in the digital world, everything will have to be just as well regulated as with your car. And the cloud providers also need clarity. So what should they do? How can they prove that their cloud services are secure and comply with the legislation? If every new customer turns up with different requirements, that is an impossible task for providers. The lack of clarity is creating barriers against the use of cloud services. And because it is impossible to innovate digitally without the cloud, that is inhibiting innovation. People will only trust cloud services if everyone who uses the cloud can see how its reliability is regulated. So we need a periodic technical inspection, or PTI, for cloud services, just like for cars. A PTI for cloud services must be based on intrinsic reliability, independent evidence, and clear communication. This will only work if we standardize and harmonize the process. So we need to start organizing it, both in the Netherlands and in Europe as a whole.